Picture this, a country so big it could fit the entire United States inside it. A land where winter sometimes lasts most of the year, and polar bears commute across frozen oceans. Today, we explore Canada's physical geography. Canada is the second largest country in the world. Only Russia is bigger. Canada and the United States are neighbors, and they even share some of the same natural features. Both countries connect through the Rocky Mountains, a long Pacific Coast mountain range, the Great Plains between the Rockies and the Appalachians, the Great Lakes, the St. Lawrence River, and the breathtaking Niagara Falls on the border of Ontario and New York. On Canada's west coast, the Coast Mountains stretch from Alaska down through the British Columbia, running north to south. The tallest peak is Mount Waddington, standing over 13,000 feet high. Because these mountains sit right next to the Pacific Ocean, the air is mild and winters are rainy. The ocean holds its heat longer than land, so it keeps the coast warm. The Coast Mountains also block icy Arctic winds, acting like a weather shield. The interior doesn't get this protection, so inland Canada gets much colder. This coastal region is home to the Great Bear Rainforest, where you'll find grizzly bears, black bears, coastal wolves, and the spirit bear, an extremely rare white black bear. The Canadian Rockies are the northern extension of the same Rockies found in the United States. They form the Continental Divide. That means if water falls on one side, it flows to the Pacific Ocean. But if it falls on the other side, it can drain into the Arctic or the Atlantic Oceans. These mountains are cooler and drier than the coast because they're farther from the warm ocean moisture. Now swing to the northeast, Hudson Bay. Even though it's called a bay, it's bigger than many seas. Rivers draining into the Hudson Bay collect 40% of all of Canada's freshwater. The bay is frozen 7 to 8 months a year, making shipping tough, but perfect for cold-loving wildlife like polar bears, seals, beluga whales, and Arctic foxes. Canada also has a unique feature the US does not share. The Canadian Shield is one of the oldest rock regions on Earth. It's almost 4 billion years old. It curves around the Hudson Bay and forms a rocky region with lakes, swamps, and evergreen forests. The soil here is thin, so farming is hard, but mining is huge. This region produces nickel, zinc, uranium, gold, silver, copper, and more. Canada is incredibly rich in natural resources, including fish, especially at the Grand Banks, minerals from the Shield, Saskatchewan, and Alberta, and forests that are used for wood, paper pulp, and newsprint. Because Canada exports so many goods, it can trade for things it can't grow easily, like some fresh fruits and vegetables. Canada's geography shapes where people live, what jobs are available, how the economy specializes, and even which way the river flows. Big land, tall mountains, icy bay, fish buffet, ancient rocks, that's Canada.